they gave me a skateboard, and I think it's in here. There won't be extra wires joining them together. It'll be more compact. It's not going to impact your assembly too much. There'll be a slight change in procedure for detecting motors. That's it. But this model keeps scaling with that. You just go, okay.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Exactly.
Dad. What is here? Skateboard.
I'll tell you tomorrow.
Okay, mate. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.
Jason's car is not working. So, don't know if the kid's gonna go to school today. See?
What? You come here to work?
What?
You come here to work?
To work?
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
Why have a camera for? And then you going to play with me? I hold on really tight.
Can you calm down a bit?
Like that. A car's coming.
Ah!
A drone, I believe. You can hide in there somewhere.
What's my name?
Drone.
Why is my name Drone?
Because you say drone, say drone.
Drone.
Why?
Just no D.
Why?
Yeah.
You can hide in there, why? I did it.
Hi, everyone. Hey. Just warming up my lips. gonna lay down some beats, some break beats, some beatboxing. Okay, Raptor riders and e-skate builders and inertian haters and lovers and everyone. I just want to talk about a few really important things. The credit offer, the rebate to wait offer. Waiting absolutely sucks, and we're doing everything we can to speed up production, and we're seeing some great improvements. So we just want to keep you happy and keep you updated until you get your board. We're also going to announce a new warranty. I think at the end of the day, if you've got a problem, you should just get a new board sent straight to you. So we spoke about water ingress testing last week. We're starting to really get through our backlog. We've got all the parts. 95% of the inventory is sitting in our production facility, just waiting to go together. And finally, with all these new parts here, we can build Raptors, put them in boxes and get them delivered. So good news, finally. For anyone who hasn't ordered a Raptor and is thinking about it, from now on, you'll actually be ordering a Raptor 2.1. So when I was in China at the end of last year, firing my production factory, basically, I went and checked out another electric skateboard factory that had been posting a hell of a lot of stuff on our electric skateboard forum. DIY e-board, I think they're called. Anyway, I went and sussed out what they were doing because they had some pretty cool stuff, and they gave me a skateboard, which is very nice. If you're watching this, I don't know how to say your name, Ray. Very kind gesture. So they gave me a skateboard, and I think it's in here. It's been sitting in China for 5 months because I've had other things on my mind. Look at this little bad boy. Oh, what a weapon. It's a little hub motor thing. And what is it's pretty much a Meepo, I would say. I mean, it's 25.2 volt battery, super small battery. But yeah, the hub motors aren't too bad, and it's a cute little deck as well. So I don't know. It hasn't been charged for 5 months though. Let's see if it works. Okay, on. Oh, it's still got battery. Oh yeah. Cool. I should take it for a little spin. Look at this guy. It's not too bad. I think we need to give it a charge. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I think Corbin will like it.
What does it remind you of?
Meepo. It's a Meepo. I quite like these things. They made them with silicon, and it's not the right material. But it's a cool idea. So they gave me a set to play around with. Yeah, it's silicon.
Yeah.
Oh well, let's put this guy on charge.
Jason got pretty busy after that, so I decided to take the board out for a spin. So what did I think of the DIY e-board? I consider it more of a fun little toy than a genuine way to commute around town. With a small range and top speed of only about 25 kilometers an hour, it's not really a serious contender to something like a Raptor 2 or a boosted board, and not something I'd really recommend riding anywhere except on the footpath. I have to say it's a great little skateboard for Corbin to practice on though. If you've got kids that want to learn how to ride an e-skate, this is definitely a good option to get them started with. What I realized the most though was how much more refined something like a Raptor 2 actually feels compared to this board. I know I might be biased, but it's such a massive difference in quality of materials and just little design things, like how the bushings and wheels feel and the response of a Fockbox compared to the speed controller in this board, which actually has quite a big delay when you accelerate. Overall, I can't recommend this for a full-size adult. A longer deck might be more suitable, but if you need something with stability and range that you can commute with every day and feel safe riding, the Raptor 2 easily takes the cake. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you consider giving a thumbs up, that'd help us out heaps.